In today's video, I want to walk you through the processes on how to fix your laptop keyboard not working on your device. This video will help you fix it in two simple processes. So do watch till the end so that I'll be able to fix this as soon as possible. The first thing you have to do is to come to this place or here, search for control panel. Then this one, open it. Once you open control panel, if you are on the category section, then you are good to go. But if you are on the large or small section like this one, make sure that you are under category, then click on category. So under category, click on this button that says easy access. Then go ahead and click on the one that says easy of access center. Once you click on that button, it comes up like this. You have different options here. Then click on this one that says start on screen keyboard. Double click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. So with this, you can use the on-screen keyboard on your device. Then if you don't want to use this one in case of emergency, what you can do to fix this issue is very simple. Now here is what you need to do. Come to this place, right click on it, click on device manager. Then you can come over to this place and search for device manager on the search bar. Click on it. Once you click on it, it brings to this interface. Now once you get to this interface, carefully locate what is called keyboard here. There is a button called keyboard, this particular one. Click the arrow and expand it. Now I have standard 101, 102 key or Microsoft Natural PS2 or PX2 keyboard for HP hotkey support. This has to do with the kind of device you have. So you have this keyboard software or drivers here. The first thing you have to do once you get to this place is to be sure that this driver is up to date. How will you know that? It's very simple. Now click on it like this once, right click, then click on properties. Once you click on properties, you have access to so many things here. The first thing is general, but go to drivers, click on it. When you get to drivers, you have to do something here. First one is to update the driver of this keyboard. Click on this update drivers. Once you click on this update drivers, it brings you to this interface. You have two options here, and we're going to cover the two options to be sure that we have a perfect way to fix keyboard issue on our laptop. Click search automatically for drivers. Then you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed. Then if you do this, then you are good to go. Don't forget that this one that says search for update drivers on Windows. So close this place. We are seeing the same place again. Now click on update drivers again. Then click on browse my computer. Once you click on browse my computer, it comes out like this. Then let me pick from the list available. Click on this one. Then don't forget that we have two lists here, two options here that talk about the standard H key. This is the one we have on our device. So now we also have the standard keyboard on our device as well. So you can click on this because this seems the one we have on our device right away. You can click on this one, then click on next button, follow the screen process and install it. Once you install it, then restart your PC. This should be able to fix this issue on your device. And if that does not fix the issue on your device, we are still in the same place. Click on this uninstall device. Once you click on the uninstall device, follow the on-screen process and uninstall this app or software on your device. Once you uninstall the software on your device, close this page. Then come to this place. Make sure you click on this button. Come to this action point. Then click on scan for hardware change. Once you click on scan for hardware change, then scroll down. You see that this particular software that you've uninstalled will come up here again. Then refresh it. Once you refresh this, then close this page. Once you close this page, then try and restart your PC. This will be able to fix every keyboard issue on your device. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. That's what you can do, guys, to motivate me. Thank you, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.